Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna see like how we can create a smart notes organizer tool with the help of AI and how can we leverage AI or GPT models to boost our productivity in development or like how we can use these GPT tools features. Right. So these are the feature we will be having in our application like automatic categorization and summarization. Like it will suggest you like quick summary of the notes, and it will also provide you sentiment of that particular notes and a kind of tag. And we will also having this feature of search, like we can search using the phrase, so we do not need to worry about any keyword, whatever the keyword we will be having in our notes. So we just need to search accordingly using the phrase. I'll show you like the example on a product demo. So these are the key skill we will be having in our projects like JavaScript and React. We will be creating our whole front end on React, and we will be using GPT-4 models API, and we will gonna see like how we can use prompt engineering or like how we can optimize prompt accordingly, so we can get a quick and better result accordingly. And we will deploy our whole application to the Firebase, and we are gonna also use Firebase authentication Firestore to store our nodes. So let's have a quick walkthrough of our application. So this is our application where we have Google Firebase authentication. I'm just clicking on the button sign with Google. I'm just selecting this particular Google account to authenticate. So this is the dashboard of our notes application. So as you can see, like my name is coming over the and the front. And as told you, like we have a search feature using the phrase, so we can search a phrase accordingly, like give me my positive sentiment notes. So whatever these notes which have positive sentiments, so it will provide you accordingly. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the tag which we have, and whatever the note note it's whatever the details it have, right? So it will check like this is a kind of positive or negative. It will search accordingly using the phrase, right? So this kind of features we have in this, right? So like if we want to search our book notes, right? So we can search using book notes. Yeah, so whatever the keyword or whatever the phrase notes will have, it will search accordingly, right? So this is a feature like NLG we have. And uh, let's have a like let's quickly add one on notes over here. So I'm just copying these notes and typing here, or like just I will just add like this is a profitable day in trading. Okay, I'm just quickly adding using this. Okay, so the like I'm just getting the tag over here using the GPT API, and we will having a positive sentiment here, and whatever the emoji, it will also provide you one emoji of that particular sentiment, right? And if you wanna like see quick summary of this, so you can just hover over here, a successful trading day, or it will give you a quick summary of this particular long notes like this: a productive day with successful AI integration and project progress. So this is a kind of project process, right? Whatever the notes you'll be having. Or if you wanna see a summary of this: I spoke to my parents after a long time, felt really good to reconnect. So if you just over here, you will be getting a quick summary of this: reconnect with parents after a long time and felt good. Okay. So these are the features, and also we can just delete any kind of notes we want, right? So these are the CRUD operation which we have, or we can just update here using like this: profitable day in trading. or we can say like made $50. Okay, so it is updated. Okay, so finally we can log out from here this button. Yeah, so this is the notes application we will gonna build using the GPT APIs. Thank you.